Assalamu alaikum and what's up everybody, this is Ishan Janjua and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a video about complimenting someone's cooking, because this is one of the most common social convention in which you have to compliment someone's cooking. So first of all, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon to get notified for my latest content updates. So why you have to compliment someone's cooking? Because this is one of the most common social convention. You've been invited to a dinner, or you are visiting a restaurant where you had an excellent meal, so you want to compliment the cooking, the chef. So how you are going to do that? So in today's video we are going to learn that, and we are going to start with some obvious choices. Let's start with number one, and that is, this food is delicious. By saying food, we are trying to be generic, but if you want to be very specific, you can take the name of the dish. You can say, this trifle is delicious. These kebabs are delicious. You can also say, this food is very tasty. This trifle is very tasty. So these are some very common and obvious choices. Your compliments need to sound sincere, specific and spontaneous. You cannot use the same old compliments in all the situations. What if someone prepares a very difficult dish, which is very difficult to prepare from the very beginning? How are you going to compliment that person? You can compliment that person by saying, did you make this from scratch? This is a question, but in reality, you are expressing your amazement that you cannot believe how that person pulled off such a phenomenal job with preparing that dish. So you are going to say, did you make this from scratch? This is a compliment that you are going to give a person when he prepares something that is very difficult to prepare. Now what if you come across a person that prepares one dish better than anybody that you know of? We are going to look at the compliments that we can give to that person. The first one is, you prepare one mean, and the name of the dish. For example, you prepare one mean sandwich. You prepare one mean shawarma. Number two, this name of the dish is out of this world. This barbecue is out of this world. Compliment number three, you can also say, these are the best mutton chops I ever had. These are the best mutton chops I ever had. Let's suppose you are sitting and you are just going to start with the dinner, but you are now looking for a compliment to give to the chef because everything looks delicious. What compliment are you going to give to the chef? You are going to use and say, everything you cooked looks luscious. Everything you cooked looks luscious. Or you can say, your roasted chicken is mouth-watering. Obviously, you can change the name, as I said before. So these are the compliments that you can give in these specific situations. Now we are going to look at a situation where you are visiting a restaurant and whatever you had over there was delicious and you want to compliment the chef who prepared it. You are going to say, this was really great, my compliments to the chef. Obviously, you want to be specific. You are going to take the name of the dish and you are going to say the same compliment that I have said before. This sushi is amazing, my compliments to the chef. There are a few other options to choose from. You can also say, everything was flavorful, my compliments to the chef. You can also say, food was appetizing, my compliments to the chef. If you are giving the compliment to the chef in person, you can say, you are an excellent/amazing cook. So this is how you are going to compliment someone's cooking. Now I think you have a few options to choose from when you have to compliment someone's cooking, and if you have some compliments of your own, please share them in the comment section, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Till then, take care and don't forget to like the video.